Hi there, Cole Barnes here with Kramer AV, Director of Sales for the Central US, and I want to tell you about our new TBUS line. We just came out with these new slick modular TBUS table box connectivity solutions, and a couple things to point out here, right? First of all, just listen to that sound, right? Watch it go in there. We do have a lot of focus on USB-C these days, full 65 watt charging, USB-C, HDMI, any color you like, as long as it's black, silver, or white. You have your standard stuff. Also, we have sections of 2, 4, and 6. I'm not sure if we can get the camera on those. Perfect. And what's great about these guys is they're completely modular. Actually, if you can see here, on this guy, this is actually what's under the table here. So these can slide into place. Use a little locking mechanism right here. Do a quarter turn, half turn, slide it back in, and you've installed your TBUS. So that's the quick run of it, but hope you enjoyed and come swing by the booth. Thanks for being at InfoComm 2024, and please visit KramerAV.com for more information.